Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some coconut lemon cake and some coconut lemon muffins. Alright, these are absolutely delicious. Let's jump right into it. See here, I'm creaming my butter. Add your sugar, make sure to scoop the sides down. Then add your eggs one at a time. Add one zested lemon. Add your baking powder and baking soda to your flour, mix together, then add to your butter and egg mixture, a little bit at a time. Then we're going to add our lemon juice last. It's nice and fluffy. Then we are going to fold our coconut flakes in the batter, and I'm using sweetened coconut flakes. I did butter and flour my muffin pan, and I did the same for my cake pan, and I'm using a butter pan there as well. I did the icing. I'll leave the recipe for the icing in the description box. Enjoy, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.